And now welcoming to the stage, Jonathan, the VP of Product at Connected.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Elevate Product here at Connected. This is our second year hosting this event, and I can't be more excited about the roster of speakers we have today. So let's get started. Elevate's mission, uniting the world's innovators to solve society's greatest challenges, is a bold and inclusive one. So I'd like to thank all of you for coming here today and share and learn in that mission. Secondly, I'd love to thank the incredible roster of speakers we have here today who are here to share their product insights on their personal product development journeys. And finally, I'd like to thank Elevate for bringing this community of practitioners here together so we can all learn and build better. As practitioners, how do you build better? Let's start by listing 3 principles: filling in the missing, an appetite for risk, and collaboration that I think are critical to best-in-class product development. So first, building truly impactful products requires you to identify and fill in the missing. This begs the question that in a product context, what is the missing? I love this quote by Paul Graham, founder of Y Combinator. The way to notice startup ideas is to look for things that seem to be missing. If you are on the leading edge of a rapidly changing field, there are things that are going to be obviously missing. It's simple. Great product work begins when you fill in the missing and deliver progress to your users. Here's a great example. Airbnb. Airbnb filled in a missing. The lack of low-cost travel options and experiences for people who want to feel like a native. Solving for missings help customers satiate their need for progress and help businesses grow. This concept is core to how we think about product discovery at Connected and helps explain the strategy behind millions of high-growth startups and products, including Airbnb. The second principle for building impactful products is appetite for risk. Companies at scale often become competitively defensive and risk-averse. In simple terms, from time to time, the bigger a company gets, the more conservative its habits become. The problem with this is innovation is disruptive. I love this quote from Alan Clement. It changes both what users value along with what markets companies thought they competed in. Let me give you an example. Netflix. Netflix started with DVD by mail. They competed with Blockbuster. They moved online to the cloud, developed original content. Now they're competing with HBO and Hulu. Reed Hastings, their CEO, has famously said that Netflix now competes with sex, sleep, and Fortnite. Netflix is a disruptive company. The problem is that most companies are not like Netflix, and they come to innovation too late. They only begin to care about changing and growing when that same disruption has caused them to stop growing. And the challenge here is growth comes from making these calculated bets by addressing the 4 main risks: viability, feasibility, usability, and desirability. A company learns a lot from learning how to fail effortlessly and swiftly. The final principle is dear to my heart. It's collaboration. Many of these products that we use day to day and can't live without didn't drop out of the clear blue sky. They were the product of working with small, empowered, cross-functional teams. I believe that cross-disciplinarity is at the heart of innovation. So much new value is created by having a team of practitioners, strategists, designers, engineers, learning and working from each other. Many established companies have these modern practices. Think Amazon, think Basecamp, think Spotify. But most companies are not Amazon. When they scale, they suddenly have way more people who know way less, and communicating between the numerous silos and handoffs becomes a chore and a process in itself. And think about the teams. Teams who were originally empowered and close to the value proposition and close to the users are now downstream from decisions and authority. They end up focusing on rituals and velocity because they're not empowered to measure anything else. Soon, your product team becomes a project team. Our CEO, Mike Stern, likes to say, these organizations sometimes don't empower the right mix of people and practices to build both the right software-powered products and to build software-powered products right. Collaboration is at the heart of growth. At Connected, these three principles, filling in the missing, having an appetite for risk, and collaboration inform our product development practice. We work with our partners to build innovative products more swiftly and more often. So simply by being here today, we are in service of Elevate's mission, uniting the world's innovators to solve society's greatest challenges. And I ask that you share in our mission today, as we all are here to learn how to build better products. On behalf of Connected, I hope you have an incredible day. Thank you.